Right, Shalom. Giving all praises, glory, and honors unto Yahweh by Shemi Al-Shai, by Shema Kakadash. Double honors to the apostles, bishops, elders of Great Millstone. Peace and blessings to the hopeful elect. This is your brother Zion for GMS Atlanta. Back with another edifying video and another update to the coming Motb system. More countries are rolling out. Well, I read it here. Jamaica begins rolling out national ID. So a lot of these countries are continuing to go digital when it comes to biometrics and identification. And as I've always mentioned and said before, before they force people to get the Motb implant, there has to be the digital infrastructure in place. They have to have all the different departments, all the different logistics in place in order for people to transition over from this current system to this new digital system. It says Prime Minister among first to receive NIDS card. Now this is in Jamaica, so this is amongst the tribe of Benjamin in the island of Jamaica. All right. So let me read some of this into it. It says Jamaica symbolized its adoption of a digital national ID system in a ceremony with the country's prime minister. So this isn't just, oh, well, everybody got IDs and cards. And no. This is deeper than that. Way deeper than just having a license or a state ID. Okay? This digital ID system that is not just in Jamaica, but it's all over the world. This is going to tie into the elites having control of everyone on the planet. Okay, that's their goal. All right. It says Chairman of the National Identification Registration Authority, Bishop Conrad Pitkins, handed over a national identification card to Prime Minister Dr. Andrew Holness at the official launch of the NIRA at the Central Sorting Office in Kingston. It says the NIDS provides the basis on which we can now claim to be a digital society. So now all the citizens of Jamaica are going to have to get this card. It says the NIDS provides the basis on which we can now claim to be a digital society, Holness said during the event, as reported by the country's news service. We have several identification documents, we have passports, electoral IDs, and we have our driver's license, but none of them have the level of security that this card has. And see, now it's a card. Okay, now the card they're going to issue you is going to be a part of this digital ID system. But then I'm telling you, it's going to transition from having a card which you can still lose or somebody can take it. All right, it's going to transition to them putting the micro-chip implant inside your hand on your forehead. It says the national ID comes with certain benefits since it has a digital identity verification feature, which the Prime Minister highlighted. For those opening bank accounts, for example, the card has the ability to verify identity on the spot, eliminating the need to present two or more forms of identification. Yeah, see, let's say you go in for opening a bank account or trying to get a job. You know, you might have to have your license and then you have your social security card. These digital ID cards that they're issuing right now is supposed to just be like a one-stop shop for all right, so to speak. Okay? So it says the NIDS pilot project starts with 300 Jamaicans Benjamites, Israelites, who began receiving their cards on Monday. Pitkin said that from January onward, going into 2025, the initiative will open to the public with biometric enrollment centers across Jamaica, as well as mobile units to serve those in rural areas. So they about to roll this out everywhere. It says, while there has been some delay in rolling out NIDS in the island nation, government ministers earlier this year pointed to the issue of trust and overcoming Jamaicans' wariness surrounding the national ID. Yeah, you know how Jake is. You know, people, are skeptical of certain things, but this is a step forward to the MOTB being implemented. It says there is a very big kind of digital project for Jamaica. Senator Dr. Dana Morris Dixon, minister without portfolio in the office of the Prime Minister, who oversees skills and digital transformation, said in April. We know that we are in a low-trust environment in our country, she continued. And we also know that there are many Jamaicans who may be afraid of this digital change. Yeah, so there are certain Jamaicans, certain Benjamites that could possibly be of the elect, even still in the island of Jamaica. Right, getting these digital IDs. And let me say this: first of all, the national digital ID is not the MOTB. It's all right. It's not the MOTB, but but it's a step closer. And this is important because we have a lot of our people that still don't believe and still don't have an understanding. It's really pretty much just GMS constantly doing videos out of all the Israelites on this coming digital implant, and everyone else is seldom speaks on it, or they claim they don't believe in it, and they do wrong breakdowns. So videos like this that I'm doing is important to show you that there is a transition coming where everything is going to be tied to this digital system, and eventually you're going to have to take this device inside of your body. But you have our people out there that are skeptical of it, skeptical of this coming system, which is a good thing in the spirit, but will you deny the implant when it comes? So it says, so it is a very important thing. It is very important that through the regulations that govern everything that we do, that the security element is very strong. And that's one of their selling points. One of their selling points is not just going to be convenience, buying and selling when it comes to the MOTB, but also security as well. Well, if you have the ID on your body, can't nobody take it. I'm sorry, not on your body, in your body. Then can't nobody take it from you. You can't lose it. So that's like a security element as well. So this is really all I wanted to speak on this. Another step closer to the MOTB. They're rolling out the digital ID system in Jamaica. So this is from November 20th, 2024, the hopeful year of Jacob's trouble. And this digital system is a part of the trouble to come, because it's going to be trouble if you take the digital implant. But now they're just doing the rollout, the transition rollout with these digital national digital ID cards. And then of course the implant, But anyway, so with that, I hope this was edifying. Until the next time, I say shalom.